When a storm hits, your network data shouldn't just be a record. It should be your primary response tool. A customer calls in with an outage. We quickly locate their service location using the global search bar. Vetro's BSS automation instantly confirms their active status, giving the operator immediate context before the technical deep dive. With one click, we view the dedicated circuit path. We can see every network feature supporting this customer's service. Using OTDR data from the field, we pinpoint the exact location of the break. Vetro identifies the specific circuits impacted by this failure point. Within seconds, we generate an outage report. This allows us to move from reactive support to proactive communication with all affected customers. But we need to think bigger. By tracing from a common fail point like this cabinet, we can instantly see the scale of the impact across the entire lateral. Here, we identify 11 more customers at risk. This is operational data at scale, helping you manage expectations before the phone starts ringing. Now for the fix. We isolate the damaged cable segment and view its attributes, ensuring the field crew has the exact specs they need. We pull the digital splice reports for both the cabinet and the closure. No more digging through paper files or outdated spreadsheets. Finally, we turn this data into action. We create a work order and assign tasks for the cable and points directly to our field team. The crew receives these tasks on Vetro Mobile with all the technical data surfaced and ready. Faster response, less waste, and a more resilient network.